Let's have a look at the settings associated with our samples feature. We can put in a cost for the sample. While we don't charge normally for customers to lend a sample, they do carry a cost. So we can indicate that if the sample isn't returned, the customer will be charged. We can put that in our docket message. That'll be printed off at the bottom of the docket. It'll look like this. Here's our sample docket output. Now we can see that text we put in the settings shows up here and a total indicative cost for if the sample isn't returned. We can also enable or disable this feature, check for orders originating from samples. So that'll check any orders that the customer and product name match samples to keep a record of which samples have brought in business. We can also manage our sample formats. So you may have samples that aren't just a single color or material. You may have a book of samples or a box or a swatch. Add whatever formats you use there. And then when we go into samples and log a sample, the same as before, when we search for a color, it'll bring up the product and all the colors, but also it'll have formats now. So we can, instead of logging just a single color that's being loaned out, we can loan out a whole swatch.